Attraction marketing. It's been around in the industry for a good while, but probably this is the first time that you're hearing about it. Attraction marketing is a way to drive people toward your business instead of having to hunt them down. In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 tips that are going to help you triple your leads inside your business. So stay tuned. Hey, it's Reggie, Prospering Dad TV, motivation, mindset, marketing, where entrepreneurs come to thrive. And I want to welcome you back to the channel. If you are brand new and this is the first time that you're viewing me, I want you to go right here, hit the subscribe, go right here, hit the notification bell. So as I upload new content that's going to help you expand your business, you'll be the first to know. Attraction marketing. How to use attraction marketing to triple your leads in your business. There are so many different ways that you can promote your business online or market your business online. There's being an influencer. Influencer marketing is very popular, or prospecting which is something that you've probably been doing. But the reality of it is that attraction marketing is right now one of the strongest ways to build your business fast. And build it quickly by connecting with the right people, the right audience, and getting your message in front of them. As I said, it's not brand new, but it's exploding right now, and you want to be part of the wave. What is attraction marketing? Well, attraction marketing is the ability to educate your customers or prospects about your products, service, or opportunity in a way that's unique to you, and it's going to connect them to you and your message. That with attraction marketing, you want to be able to educate and inform instead of pitch and sell. So when you do that, it makes you stand out in the marketplace. It makes people see you differently. It instantly creates authority, and it drives traffic to your message and helps you to build your business. The first tip I want to share with you is you want to spread knowledge. As I said, you want to be an educator. So you want to educate people about what it is, your product, service, or opportunity. We're so busy trying to sell what it is that we have that we don't share the benefits. See, people generally don't care about what the product is more than they care about what it can do for them. So when you are spreading knowledge, you're sharing the benefits of what the product or service or opportunity is that you may have and what it can do. What problem does it solve for your potential customer or prospect? So the first tip is that you want to spread knowledge. The second tip is that you want to build trust. Now, people do business who they know, like, and trust. Think of yourself. You go to general stores and basic stores that you spend your money at because you have trust for that brand. You go to McDonald's because you trust the burgers. You go to Walgreens because you trust the products. You go to Target because you trust the products. So same thing goes and applies to your business. You want to be able to build trust, and through attraction marketing and creating an atmosphere where you are sharing knowledge, it helps you to build trust with your audience. So tip number 2 is that you want to build trust. Tip number 3, you want to be authentic. You want to be you. People do business with people. People connect with people. So I understand how it is when you first get into your business and you want to mimic whoever it is in your upline, or you go to the presentations and you want to be the next Holton Bugs, or but the thing is, people are going to connect with you. There are people that are here that are assigned to you, that are waiting to hear your message. So learn to be authentic. Be original. There's only one you. So you want to be authentic, and you want to be able to connect with your audience and build that type of relationship that they know that you are for real and you are genuine. So tip number 3, you want to be authentic at all times so people know that they can trust you. Tip number 4, you want to engage. Now, what do I mean by engage? Engage means after you have developed that connection and you've shared some knowledge and people are raising their hands and they're asking for more information and they're really wanting to connect with you and they want to build a relationship, you want to engage with them. That means communication. Communication is key. Now, when I say communication, you want to be able to follow up with your audience. You want to make sure that you're using things like capture pages. If you don't know what a capture page is, I want you to go to the description, and I want to show you, I have some links there that'll show you how to build a capture page. But you want to know, your audience wants to be able to communicate, and with communication, you want to keep them updated. You want to keep them up on the latest trends that are going on. Maybe if it's weight loss, you want to keep them up on the latest diets or any improvements on your products. If it's travel, you want to continue a conversation and dialogue where you're sharing, trips, things of value to them that can help them save money on a vacation. So communication is key. It's vital. It's important. So you want to continually and constantly be engaging with your audience. Why? Because that keeps you on their mind. A lot of people generally, if they get people to some information or if they sell them a product, right after they do that, they forget about them. I want you to stay in touch with your audience. So tip number 4 is you want to be engaging. You want to make sure that you follow up. And you can do that by using an autoresponder. If you want to know more about that, there's information down in the description. You can use the autoresponder. You can do, messages. You can do Messenger on Facebook using ManyChat. There's a lot of different ways that you can communicate with your audience. But the first thing that you want to do is you want to capture the information and get their permission to continue the conversation. Tip number 5. You want to keep, as I just said, you want to keep your audience informed. You want to keep them up on the latest trends. What's going on with your product? Is there any changes? Is there improvement? Is there a product announcement of something new that can help them gain greater results in whatever it is that they're doing, that they've reached out and connected with you on in your business? You always want to keep your customers and your prospects updated, because when you're doing that, that's showing that you actually care about their interest, that you really care about what it is that they're doing, and you care about what's going on in their lives. Think about yourself. When somebody shows you interest, when they pay attention to you, you have a different type of relationship and you see them in a different type of way than when somebody just tries to sell you something and then they forget all about you. So you want to keep your audience informed with current updates, information that can be important to them, that's going to keep them connected to you and what it is that you're doing. Tip number 6, create content. Now this is big. If you go back, there's a video I did that shows you about content creation. Content creation is key. Now you might be asking yourself, where do I find content? Content is all around. One of the best ways to create content is to thoroughly know your business, product, service, or opportunity. You want to go into your back office. You want to connect with other people in your company or in the industry that are having or experiencing the type of success that you want to have, and you want to connect with them, and you want to network with people and exchange ideas. Creating content becomes very easy when you know what you're looking at. When we create content, the thing that we want to do is we want to provide value. Now, spamming your links and posting images of your product, services, or opportunity, that's not creating value. Creating value comes from understanding what it is that your audience wants and give it to them. It's just that simple. When it comes to selling, it's not that complicated. We make it more complicated than it is. But the reality of it is that you really just want to find out what your audience wants and give it to them. Just that simple. How do we do that? You want to find out what is it that's keeping them up at night. If it's weight loss, is it they can't rest because they want to lose weight, but maybe they don't have the ability to get out or have time to go work out. So that's a pain point. You want to identify that, and you want to see how what it is that you have helps to solve that. If a person wants to go on vacation, say he's a hardworking person or a hardworking dad, a hardworking mom who wants to take their family on a vacation, they've never been on vacation. You can create content that can show them the easiest ways to find the best vacation for what they can afford. So you want to create content, valuable content. Now, not only do you want to create content, one of the key things that a lot of people miss out is you got to be consistent. If you really are trying to build a business, when it comes to creating content and posting, you can't post just once a week. You can't post just once a day. You got to post regularly. Whether if you're on Facebook, you got to create curiosity posts, and that's one of the things that attraction marketing will show you. And again, if you go into the descriptions, I have examples of how to generate leads, which will teach you how to create curiosity in your post, whether it is doing a video like this, or if it's a static post where you're just putting up a post, how to use groups to share what it is that you have, your product, service, or opportunity. You got to be consistent. You have to be consistent. If you're following here on this channel, and make sure that you hit the subscribe and notification bell here, you'll see that I post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 6 a.m. Eastern Time every week. And if you follow me on Facebook, and you can go down and find my link there, you can follow me on Facebook as well. You see that I'm posting every day. Now, this doesn't take a whole lot of time. It doesn't have to be a job. You know, but when you organize, you know what you're doing, and I'm gonna shoot another video talk to teach you about how to batch your content and, you know, get it all planned out so you can just record videos or do your posts, and you can schedule posts and send them out there. When you know how to be consistent, that's how you're going to build your audience. The one thing that you got to understand is when you post anything on Facebook or any social media, you're not the only person that's posting. There are hundreds of thousands of people who are posting at the same time, and your information gets lost in the news feed. One way that you can make yourself stand out is if your audience knows that you're going to show up at 4 o'clock every day, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, then they can look for your content. They'll anticipate your content, and we can talk about in the next video about how you make your content stand out by using images, and when they get the notification, they'll know it's you. So tip number 6, you want to create content, but you want to create valuable content, and you want to be consistent when you post. So if you have stayed to the end to this video, I want you to get my brand new ebook, my brand new free ebook, 5 ways to generate leads that pay inside your network marketing business. The link will be below in the descriptions. It's a free ebook full of information. It'll show you more about what we're talking about in this video of how to build your leads, and not only build your leads, but get qualified leads on various platforms that will pay you because you're speaking to the right audience with the right message, and people who are ready to buy from you. So I hope you got value out of this video. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what you thought about today's topic. Be sure, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments as well. Be sure to like this video. Be sure that you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so as I upload new content, you'll be the first to know. And I just want you guys to be able to understand attraction marketing is powerful. Study it. If you want more information, drop me a comment. I'll be glad to share some stuff with you. There's some links down there below that's going to help you also get this information. Attraction marketing is the fastest way to build your business online today, and you don't want to miss it. So on that, I want to see you on my next video.